Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Chigo Kings. Hope you guys are doing well, hope you guys are doing good. So guys, currently 8 a.m. in the morning here, and I decided to just show you guys what I eat in a day to reduce my belly fat. A day in the life of Chigo. So this year I decided to just work on my tummy. Since I gave birth, I don't even bother to work on my belly. So this year I said no, I got to do something. So I just want to show you guys what I eat in a day. Hope you guys will love it, hope you guys will like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like and comment. Okay guys, without wasting much of your time,
I just need to clear my head.
So guys, I'm going to select the fruit I'm going to use for the smoothie this morning. I'm going to select apple, green apple, not the red apple, then the ginger, the cucumber, then lemon. So guys, this is what I'm going to use this morning for my smoothie. I have mint leaf. I usually put mint leaf. Now I don't have mint leaf, so I'm going to use beetroot to replace the mint leaf. So now I'm going to wash all, then I will blend them together. So guys, I've washed my fruits. I washed and I cut it so that I can be able to blend. So I'm going to blend all together, and that's what I take in the morning. So let me blend them together. So I've transferred all the fruit inside the blender. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water into it so that it can be able to blend. So I've added my water. I'm going to blend it right now. So guys, my smoothie is ready. So sweet, so sweet. Can you just see the color? I love the color, I love it so much. This tummy needs to go out. It makes me, I don't wear what I want to wear. Sometimes I'm going on drive, I think people are looking at my tummy. So I said this 2020 I will do something to get rid of it. So that's what I'm doing. After drinking this, I don't even snack. I don't snack. Sometimes, not always, unless I'm hungry, and most times I don't go hungry. I don't used to be hungry, so I don't snack. What I used to do, I would just stay that way and do my things, my normal day routine things. I don't go hungry after drinking this. It holds me like, maybe let me say 3 hours, 4 hours, not that kind of a thing, before I start looking for another thing to eat. So I think it's okay. This is so sweet. So sweet. Oh, sweet. So guys, this is for this morning. During the long time guys, I'm going to take you guys along. So this is just for this morning. I'm perfectly okay. I'm okay, honestly. No. I'm okay. So
5 hours later.
So guys, this is my afternoon food. That's what I ate in the afternoon. 2 slices of bread, sweet corn, cucumber, tomatoes, egg and mint tea. And that's what I'm going to take this afternoon, not every other afternoon, but for today that's what I'm going to take. So right now I'm going to fry the egg, then start the food. Okay, let's fry the egg. So I'm going to turn my egg. Olive oil. Just going to add a little bit. I'm going to add my hot dog. I normally fry my egg with hot dog, so I prefer I just add my hot dog. My lunch is ready, guys. So guys, my lunch is ready, so I'm going to eat right now. I'm going to take the egg first, the tomato, and the cucumber. And my cup of tea, still hot, still hot. So guys, see you guys during my dinner. I have to relax and eat this. Egg, cucumber and tomatoes. Sometimes I eat it that way. The combination is very, very good. So sweet. Honestly, try it, you will like it. You will like it. See you guys during my dinner. Okay, that's what I'm going. So guys, this is what I'm going to take for the dinner. I have to wash it and cut it. So that's what I'm doing. Let me wash it. So guys, this is it. So I'm going to use mayonnaise for it. Normally I'm not supposed to use mayonnaise, but I'm going to use mayonnaise for it right now as my salad cream. I don't like using salad cream. To be honest with you guys, I don't like using salad cream. I prefer mayonnaise to salad cream. So that's what I'm going to use right now. So guys, this is my food. This is my dinner. This is my dinner. My dinner is ready. My dinner is ready. My dinner is ready. So this is my dinner. So I'm going to use my salad cream, as I said. No salad cream. I'm going to use mayonnaise. Just put a little bit. So sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys, if you enjoy it, please don't forget to share, like and comment. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.